Headline going around says your AI coding assistant can be tricked into reading files it was never supposed to touch. People assume that meant the model itself got hacked. It didn't. Okay, the claim. Wiz Research published something called Ghost Approval on July 8th. It's a symlink trick, same category of bug that's existed since roughly the invention of the file system. Except now it's aimed at AI coding agents that write and run code on your behalf. Named in the disclosure. Amazon Q, Cursor, Claude Code, Windsurf. Every one of them approves file operations by checking a path. None of them, apparently, double-checked where that path actually leads. At what, though? That's the actual question. Everyone read symlink exploit and pictured the model getting owned. Time to check what got exploited. Give the tools their due first. These agents sandbox for a reason. They ask, can I write here? Can I run this? Before doing it. And that approval layer is real. It's not theater. It catches a ton of genuinely dangerous stuff every day. Here's what actually happens. You hand the agent a project folder. Somewhere in it is a symlink, a shortcut that looks like it points inside the folder. It doesn't. It points outside, to something like your SSH keys or your AWS credentials file. The agent checks the name of the path, sees it's inside the approved folder, says fine, approved, and writes or reads straight through the symlink to wherever it actually resolves. It didn't check the destination. It checked the label. Labels lie. Nobody admits this, but a symlink is just the name tag. You can staple a name tag that says accounting onto the door of a server closet. Every agent in this story checked the name tag. None of them opened the door to look inside. The interesting part underneath the panic. This isn't an AI failure. It's an old, boring, extremely well-understood failure that AI agents just inherited by being new software written fast. The fix already exists. It's called Resolve the Real Path Before You Trust It. The catch. Status changes by the week, so check today, not this video. As of disclosure, roughly half the named tools had already shipped a patch. Anthropic's position is that this doesn't meet their bar for a reportable vulnerability in Claude Code specifically. That's a real disagreement about classification, not a denial that symlinks exist. Don't take any single vendor's word as the permanent final word here. So, is it real? Yes, the mechanism is real, it's confirmed. It's old news wearing a new hoodie. Is it the model getting hacked? No. Is it catastrophic for everyone right now? No, about half already fixed it. Should you still care? Yes, because it means the trust boundary is the file path, and file paths are the easiest thing in your project to lie about. The one thing to actually do. Don't let your coding agent operate inside a folder you didn't create yourself, especially one you cloned from a stranger's zip file. Check for symlinks before you hand over the keys. Yes, that means opening the folder. I know, I also didn't want to. Is it real is a running thing here now. We check the claim, name what's actually true, and skip the outrage. If that's useful, subscribe to Exit Code 1. Next viral claims already lined up.